Hey there. So, let's dive into an interesting problem that often comes up when working with bioinformatics data. The problem revolves around comparing reference and query sequences to identify mismatch positions. In this case, we have a reference sequence, ADT, and a data frame with query sequences. We want to find the positions where each query sequence differs from the reference. Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. A clever approach involves using the adist function, which calculates the minimum number of insertions, deletions, and substitutions needed to transform one string into another. By utilizing this function, along with some additional steps, we can extract the transformation sequence and count the number of substitutions at each position. This allows us to precisely pinpoint the mismatch positions in our sequences and present the information neatly in a data frame for easy analysis. To wrap it up, we've successfully tackled the challenge of identifying mismatch positions in sequences by leveraging the power of the adist function and some handy data manipulation techniques. I hope you found this exploration of bioinformatics analysis both informative and engaging. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any questions. Until next time, happy coding, and may your sequences always align perfectly.